What's up, YouTube? Today we are looking back. Maybe this was the first time, but this is looking at this piece. I recently got it back from the sharpener slash grinder guy I go to. So there's some Shadow Tech gear. This is obviously made to be a around the neck knife. This is its larger brother. So as you can see, they have the same blade shape. It's more of a spike, really. Cross guard. And then this one has a tip on the end. This one does not. This had a powder coating on it that I think came off pretty easy. So the guy said that. It's just that, well, one, I wanted him to sharpen this, which he did. Made it sharp. And two, I also wanted it so it could, except for the top here, I just didn't want anything else on it, right? Because hot flesh will stick to cold steel every single time. And so it's going to have enough trouble as it is going into a piece of hot flesh. Sorry to be a little bit macabre, but that's just the facts. That's how it works. There isn't any way around it, especially with stuff like this. Because these are purely defensive blades or spikes. They are not meant for anything else. You're not going to bushcraft with this. You're not going to feather stick with this. You're not going to open a package with this. You are literally just going to use this for self-defense on people. The retention system on this is one of the better I've seen. Probably the best I've seen, to be really frank. Because the way they have it set up, this will hold your stuff, hold this securely to a quick yank. But if you wanted, you could pull and slide. Super easy to adjust. As you can see, comes to that point. Both of them do. Sorry, went to go grab some of the illustrious Renaissance wax. This is a new one. I actually have two right now. And I would recommend that you get the 200 milliliter. Just go on eBay, find the cheapest one you can find, and pick it up. I realize that there are other products out there. I just don't think the rest of them are as tested and trusted. In fact, I know they're not. As that the several museums, like world-class, world-renowned museums, use it on like everything. But yeah, I carry this one. Well, I carry this one around my neck, obviously, when I do carry it. This would be great for jogging. Or it could be like a his and her type deal. But for the big one, I carry it. They do rattle. These do rattle a little bit since I've, had them adjusted. I'm not too worried about it. If I need to, I can just heat it up and push that down. But I wear this scout carry. I wear this scout carry. Front side though, so appendix carry. Maybe not technically scout, but you get the idea. And yeah, these are not really, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to to understand how to use these. You would have this on your belt, you would pull this out, and if you needed to, you could use this. It's not the primary, but really what this is going to be used for is the old in, out, where you grab a hold of them, or the typewriter, the sewing machine method. You grab a hold of them and you just hook them up until they go, either they go limp or your arm gets tired, basically. So yeah, that is these two ShadowTech defensive pieces. Used to be able to find them very easily on eBay until I reviewed them and then they disappeared. Which is kind of how it goes sometimes. Like, you know, not just me, but any reviewer. You review something and then people realize, oh wait, these things are $50. Like, why don't I pick one up? And maybe those people will see this. Hey, maybe I should take it to a sharpener, have them clean it up a little bit. I did have him leave this though, or he left it. I just didn't say anything. And you can cut people with the edge. It's just that it's a Scandi edge, meaning there is no bevel. It literally comes down like this. And so if you had to, if somebody was way out of reach or moving back, you could slash them across the face with it. Or if somebody was coming at you, I don't know, there's just a lot of different things. Use your imagination. Obviously, this guy, the bottom one, is a little bit. You're gonna have to use it in ways that make sense for you and the situation. But especially since it's a little bit smaller, you're gonna have to be cognizant of that. And yeah. I definitely think that this is small enough to rock under a shirt. And I do think it would work better than most of the neck knives that I see. But, you know, it is what it is. Now you can't even get a hold of this thing. So it's kind of unobtainium, but still going to cover it. The guy that I go to is very, you know, to have this done, very, very, very good at what he does. He said that if you had a grinder, this would not be hard to make. So if you really want one, you could probably make it with little to no training. If you like, got, you know, had someone at least point you in the right direction. Yeah, when he sharpened these, he literally said he sent pictures to a guy, a friend of his that makes knives, and they were both like, yeah, we could. I don't know if they're going to, just simply because, you know, it gets to this kind of thing where people get a little skittish about carrying it because it is just for self-defense, and that doesn't give them the warm fuzzies. This is certainly a cold prickly you could give to somebody else. That's about all she wrote for this one. Thanks for sticking with me to the end. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye now.